Looking to modernize your oak kitchen cabinets? You're in the right place. In our fast-paced world, an updated modern kitchen can be a breath of fresh air. We'll cover hardware updates, new finishes, resurfacing, and more. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a sleek, modern space. Start with updating the hardware. This simple change can transform the look of your oak cabinets. Opt for sleek, minimalistic handles in modern materials and colors like matte black or brushed nickel. For a cleaner look, consider push-to-open doors. Next, add a new finish. Dark stains, painting, or whitewashing can create a contemporary appearance while either highlighting or concealing the wood grain. Resurfacing is another effective method. Replace the cabinet faces with flat surfaces, emphasizing horizontal grain patterns for that modern touch. If you're up for a bolder move, why not make them open concept? Removing cabinet doors for open shelving can enhance the minimalist aesthetic. But remember, this option requires being mindful of clutter. Now, let's repaint your walls. Solid colors like black, gray, or white can beautifully complement the modernized cabinets. Consider installing a modern backsplash. Materials like glass or accent colors can provide a striking contrast. Update your appliances. Upgrading to stainless steel ones will give your kitchen a sleek, industrial look. Lighting can make a huge difference too. Opt for contemporary lighting fixtures such as hanging lights with dark metals or recessed lighting for a minimalist appearance. Lastly, add some modern decorations. Contemporary art or metallic utensils can be the perfect finishing touch to your updated kitchen. With these steps, you can effortlessly modernize your oak kitchen cabinets. To summarize, modernize your oak kitchen cabinets by updating hardware, adding a new finish, resurfacing, embracing an open concept, repainting walls, installing a backsplash, upgrading appliances, changing lighting, and adding modern decorations. Transform your kitchen today with Southern Oak Home Renovations. Contact us at 404-919-0247 or visit our website.